Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing video for this accent chair and Ottoman set that I'm about to put together. And it doesn't look like there are too many different pieces, and it looks like there will be very minimal assembly. You can see that there's only one type of bolt, right? Which is a big plus because we're not going to have to figure out, which bolt goes where. Here are the legs. Here is the furniture. And so now I'm going to show you guys the furniture outside the plastic. Okay, and here is what the furniture looks like outside the plastic packaging. You can see this is a pink color. Now, personally, I don't think that this camera and the lighting in this room is giving the color much justice. It is a much richer pink than it gives off, at least from what I'm seeing through this video lens. But yeah, it's pretty soft. It's built on a wooden frame, so it should be built to last. And here are the, I believe, solid wood feet. Look really nice. And here is the instruction manual. As you can see, all we're doing is putting the two washers onto the bolt. We're connecting the feet, and then we're using the Allen key to screw the bolts into the bottom of the chair and the ottoman. So the assembly process looks very simple and should only take me a few minutes. So I'm going to show you guys the finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this accent chair and ottoman set that I just put together. And my initial reaction after assembly is that this thing is awesome. First and foremost, the actual cushions on this set and the material is really nice, soft and high quality. Very plush, very comfortable to sit in. I've actually already taken the liberty to try it out, and this is actually going to be a Christmas gift, which is why it's in the dungeon right now, and it's going to get covered up in just a little bit, but the quality is very nice, and the feet, I believe, are solid wood. I can tell that it was really good quality as I was installing them. And so the way that the reclining mechanism works is actually very simple. All you got to do is just lift it up if you want to have it to a higher position, and then if you want to recline it all the way, just push it all the way forward like this and then release. And so here you see it's in full recline, and so you can kick back and catch some quick shut-eye while you're watching a movie or anything like that. So really good deal for the price. Now, the assembly process was extremely easy. Everything already comes pre-installed except for the feet, and all you have to do is basically screw in the bolts through the feet and into the bottom of the ottoman or the bottom of the chair here. Now, they do leave you an extra set here just in case. And they also give you furniture pads for the bottom of the feet. Right now, this is sitting on rugs, so obviously I don't need it, but this is a really good thing that they included. So the assembly process was really easy. It took me all but, 3 or 4 minutes just to screw everything in. I did use an electric drill, but of course you don't need one. They provide an Allen key there, and it shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes to put everything together. But I like the color. I really like the material, and the cushion is actually really soft and plush, so you'll definitely be comfortable while you're sitting and reclining in this particular seat. So I highly recommend this set. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.